a few years ago, we talked about how the older metrologists are, they're retiring, and that there seemed to be a shortage of people to fill those positions. Is that still is that still the case?
It's starting to change with the fact that you see activities such as, let's say, motorsport, for example, and people start to see some of the technology being used in some of these really everyday activities that you'll see on television. So people start to see some real cool stuff. So I think it's attracting a lot of younger people into our field. But measurement never stops. We have to do every type of measurement. So I think that it's really important that it doesn't really matter where you are in your working life. Metrology is cool.